Good evening, dear friends and viewers and lovely childs who watch my video regularly. Today, I want to share one word substitution list. So let's get started. Which word I have taken for today? First, bachelorhood. Bachelorhood, which means a state of being unmarried. Bankrupt, bankrupt, one who cannot pay the debts. Behead, behead, cut off the head. Bellicose, one who is fond of fighting. Bellicose. Belligerent, belligerent, nations engaged in war. Bibliophile, a great lover of books. Biennial, biennial, happening every second year. Bigamy, bigamy, practice of having two wives or husbands. Bigot, bigot, one who has a narrow and prejudiced religious views. Bilingual, bilingual, a person who speaks two languages at a time. Biography, biography, a life history written by somebody else. Biology, 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 the science, study of life and living organism. Biped, biped, animal having 2 feet. Blasphemy, blasphemy, speaking disrespectfully about sacred or religious things. Bookworm, bookworm, one who devotes a lot of time to reading and studying. Botany, botany, the branch of biology dealing with plant life. Brigand, a bandit or robber, especially one of a band living by pillage and ransom. Brittle, hard but liable to be easily broken. Bullion, pure form of gold or silver in the form of bar before using for manufacturing ornaments. That is bullion. And bureaucracy, bureaucracy, a government by non-elective officials. Cadversity, the infirmity of old age. And calligraphy, the art of beautiful handwriting, elegant penmanship. Callous, callous, a man devout of kind feeling and sympathy. Cannibal, a man or animal that feeds on its own species. Carnivorous, carnivorous, a flesh-eating animal. Catalog, a systematic list, record of similar items like books, records, stamps, etc. Celibacy, celibacy, abstinence from sex. Celibate, one who is unmarried. And cemetery, cemetery, a place for burial of dead bodies. Centenarian, a person who is above 100 years. Centenary, celebration of 100th year once in a century. Centripetal, centripetal means anything tending to move away from center. Century, century, 100th year. Colleague, colleague, a co-worker or a fellow worker in the same institution. Compatriot, compatriot, belonging to some country, same country, fellow citizen. And congregation, an assembly of worshippers. Conscriptions, compulsory enlistment of military or other services. Contemporary, belonging to the same period of time. Convalescent, one who is recovering from illness. And cosmology, science of origin of universe. And cosmopolitan means one who can make himself at home in all countries. Cosmopolit means a citizen of world. And couplet, a stanza living two lines in verse. And credulous, a person who readily believes whatever is told to him, her. And cryptography, study of secret writing and coded words. Curable, which can be cured. And cynic, one who questions everything. And cytology, study of plant and animal cells. Deaf, one who cannot hear. And debar, prevent a person from admission or a right. And declamation, act or art of giving a speech with a lot of feeling, usually to appropriate or condemn a topic. And delegate, a person chosen to represent another or entrust the work to another person. And democracy is the government of the people, for the people, by the people. Demonstration, show of force to intimidate. And depreciate, to go down in value. Dermatology, study of skin. And desert, a desert, an area covered with sand or rocks with very little rainfall and vegetation. To abandon someone. And deteriorate means to go from bad to worse. And dictatorship, government in which one ruler has absolute power. And dictionary, a book dealing with words in alphabetical order along with their meanings. And diet, a small allowance of food to become slim. Digestible, that which can be digested. And dipsomania, a strong desire to take liquor. Disenfranchisement, to take away a right or privilege like the right to vote. And divisible, that which can be divided. Dotage, extreme old age when one behave like a child. Draw, a game in which neither party wins. Drought, continuous dry weather and lack of rain and water. Dumb, one who cannot speak. Eccentric, one who has strange habits. Ecology, study of environment. Edible, a thing that is fit to be eaten. Effeminate, of a man showing effeminate attributes. Efficacious, sure of produce desired results. Egotist, a person who always thinks of himself, or somebody who is selfish or self-centered. Eligible, one who satisfies the appropriate qualities worthy of choice. elucidate, elucidate, to explain something mysterious or difficult. Embezzlement, embezzlement, misappropriation of money. Emigrant, emigrant, one who goes to live in foreign country. Emissary, emissary, a person sent on a special mission, usually official. Emphasize, emphasize, to lay special stress on. Employer, employer, one who employs. Endemic, endemic, a disease prevailing in our locality. Entomology, entomology, study of insects. Epic, a long narrative poem, usually of historical value. Epico, epico, somebody who has refined taste for food, somebody who loves sensual pleasure or luxury. Epidemic, epidemic, a contagious disease which spreads over a huge area. Epilogue, epilogue, a speech given after conclusion of drama. Epistle, verse in form of a letter. Epitaph, epitaph, inscription on a tombstone. Equestrian, equestrian, a person who rides on horseback. Equilibrium, equilibrium, a state of perfect balance. Eradicate, destroy or get rid of something completely, root out an evil or bad practice. Essential, essential, thing without which we can't do. Ethnology, ethnology, a study of human races. Etiquette, etiquette, established rules of conduct, rules of acceptable behavior. Etymology, etymology, a study of the origin and history of words and involvement over time. Examinee, examinee, one who is taking examination.